kind introduction. My name is Yukiko Koyama, and I'm from the UNHCR New Delhi office in India. And I'm so happy to see some of the very familiar faces and from the Finnish community, refugee community. Also, from the introduction, I heard that also there are also the students also participating in this forum, and also I heard that also there are various audiences today. So also I wanted to say some detailed information. I wanted to share some of the more detailed information for those who are not necessarily familiar with what UNHCR does. But maybe it could be a little bit boring for the refugee community, maybe it's too obvious for you, but maybe because there's a mixture of the audiences also, I wanted to also explain what also UNHCR does globally and also in India as well. Today's topic I was given was the UNHCR's policy on Myanmar refugees in India. So it's not only the issues but also the broadly about Myanmar. So I would try to cover as much as possible within my time. And firstly, I wanted to also share with you that the Myanmar refugees and asylum seekers in India, maybe that many of you, that refugee community members already know about it, but just for the people not so familiar with the UNHCR activities and also the registered population, I wanted to share some of the statistics. The Myanmar refugees and asylum seekers in India. And then also, maybe you know that the government of India directly protects the two major refugee groups. One is the Sri Lankan and Tibetans, and then on the other hand, also UNHCR India registers refugee asylum seekers, and then also the conduct refugee status examinations for under its mandate for asylum seekers from non-neighboring countries as well as also the Myanmar. As of the end of March 2019, UNHCR India registered more than 39,000 persons of concern. Out of 39,000 persons, more than 27,000 are the refugees,